This is me, Inayat Afridi from Leeds College, Peshawar. In today's lecture, I will talk about important vocabulary. The word we have is the Beatific. But first of all, let's discuss when the word Beatific was introduced. The word Beatific, according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, was initially introduced in 1640. But according to Webster American Encyclopedia, the word Beatific has been taken from the late Latin word Beatificus, that literally means happy, blissful, joy, and glad. How could we use the word beatific in our sentence? For examples, we say that I received a beatific response, feedback, answer from my English students. The synonym for the given word beatific including joy, happy, glad, and blissful. Thank you very much for time. All the best.